Hey guys, are you ready for part 2 of Math 3-Digit Addition? Today we're going to do the break it down strategy or the expanded form strategy. And I am purposefully going to choose a number that has to be regrouped. Now when I talk about regrouping, what I'm talking about is something that we've already done in class, but you know when you had more than 10 ones, and for this sake, I drew 8 and 6. When you had those, you knew that you could take this 8 and these 2 ones and turn those into a group of 10. That's called regrouping. The same thing when you had a stick of 10 and you needed some ones but you didn't have any, you knew that you could turn this stick of 10 into 10 ones. Those two strategies are regrouping, taking the ones and putting them together, taking the 10 and breaking it apart. That strategy is not just good for ones, that strategy is also good for tens. When you've got 10 sticks of 10, and today I just drew 13, you can take 10 of those 10 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and turn those into a group of 100. So we can regroup tens, we can regroup hundreds, we can regroup ones, we can regroup basically anything. That means we can put them together or we can break them apart into some of the smaller units. Now, today we're going to learn a slightly different strategy for adding 3-digit numbers. I'm going to break it, I'm going to give you 345 plus 273. Okay? 345 plus 273. Now, if you want to work this along with me, go right ahead, get your pencil and paper ready. Now, I'm going to break down 345 into expanded form or its parts because remember, yesterday we looked at the idea. This is not a 3. This is actually 300. So 300 plus this 4 is not a 4, it's 40. And these 5 ones are just 5 ones. I'm actually going to take this and put it down underneath. This 2 is not a 2, it's 200. So I'm going to put that 200 under the 300. Plus, this 7 is not a 7, it's 70. This 3 actually is a 3. Now, this is pretty easy. 300 plus 200 is 500. 70 plus 40, 70, 80, 90, 100, and I've got 10 more. That makes it 110. And 5 plus 3, the easiest part, is 8. Now here's where the regrouping comes in. In these groups of 10, we only keep, well, 10s up to 99. I need to take something out of this. 110. Oh, the hundreds, right? 100. So I'm going to take the 100 and separate it from the 10. That's still 110. But I'm going to move this 100 over here. So 500 plus 100 is 600. 10 plus 8 is 18. And 600 plus 18 is 618. So we've got our answer, 618. If you don't believe me, then I suggest you go back to the strategy that we talked about yesterday, drawing out the boxes for hundreds, the 10 sticks, and the ones, and see if you get the same answer. All right. Hope you enjoyed our quick little lesson on a second strategy for adding 3-digit numbers.